yes, welcome back again to our second session. So in our second session, we're gonna continue our lesson together from our first session today, right? Okay, good job everyone. So we already learned 3 words from our sound E in the first session, right? Okay, right now teacher wants you to open your Jungle Phonics textbook again on page 43 and listen to our audio track after that, changing along together. Everyone, now enjoy listening.
Track 37. Listen, point, and repeat.
I.
I.
Igloo.
Igloo.
Ink.
Ink.
Iguana.
Iguana. Track 38. Chant along.
Igloo. Igloo. Ink. Ink. Iguana. Iguana. Igloo. Igloo. Ink. Ink. Iguana. Iguana. Igloo. Igloo. Ink. Ink. Iguana. Iguana.
Great job everyone. Alright, after changing along, how do you feel? Feel good? Did you change with them? Okay, excellent. Alright, so right now please look at the exercise below our changing along together. Okay, so here is about trace and write. Trace and write. Great job one. So right now teacher want you to trace our capital I or big I and small I. After that, write it until the end of the line. Can you do it, everyone? Great job. Alright, so now teacher give you 1 minute to complete this exercise together. Everyone, enjoy doing. Ready, everyone? Wow, can you show me your writing? Excellent, everyone. You write very nicely. Okay, teacher also finished writing. Okay, so here we already trace and write letter I, both big letter I and small letter I, right? Okay, now let's move to one more page. It's about page 35. Okay, so here is the first exercise on page 35. So here we need to circle the I's words, then write it. Circle the I's words and write it. Okay, great job everyone. Okay, so we have a lot of picture over here, and then yes, we need to circle only the picture of the words that start from letter I, and after that we need to write letter I in the middle. Okay everyone, can you do it? Great job. Now teacher give you 1 minute to circle and find the answer. After that we're gonna correct it with teacher together. Everyone, now enjoy doing. Ready everyone? Can teacher see your answer? Wow, excellent. Okay, great job. Now let's correct it with teacher together. Okay, so let's see. Here, teacher also finished circle all of the I's words. So first it's about ink. Okay, we have ink as an I's word, so circle it. After that, what is the next one? Yes, the next one is about igloo. We circle igloo, and the last one is iguana. Okay, great job one. After that, did you write letter I in the middle? Okay, excellent. Last one, we need to write letter I in the middle of all of the picture here. Okay. Wow, excellent everyone. Okay, so now we finish our first exercise. Let's move to the second exercise together. Okay, so in our second exercise here, we need to listen to our audio track and then circle the correct answer that you hear from the Yes, from the listening. Okay, everyone, now please enjoy listening and find the answer and circle it together.
Track 39. Listen and circle.
1. Ink, ink. 2. Goat, goat. 3. Hat, hat. 4. Iguana, iguana.
Great job, everyone. Did you get the answer? Wow, great job. Okay, now let's see my answer together. Teacher also finished listening to our audio track and complete scoring our answer as well. Okay, great job. Now we finished all of our exercise. But before teacher finish our class, tell teacher again with this picture. Okay, what is the first picture here? Correct. This is called igloo. Okay, so this is the picture of igloo. Igloo. Okay, good. What about the next one? What is this, everyone? Correct. This is ink. 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 Great job, everyone. What about the last picture? Iguana. Okay, this is the picture of iguana. Iguana. Wow, good student. You can remember well with all of our 3 words. Okay, great job, everyone. Thank you for your participation for today's class. Alright, so tomorrow we don't have class because of the holiday, so you can enjoy holidays at home, or if you want to go outside, don't forget to wear a mask and bring your sanitizer or alcohol with you. Okay, great job, everyone. Alright, so enjoy your holiday. See you again on Monday, everyone. Take care of your health. Good luck. Goodbye.